Today we have a 2013 Honda Accord. We're replacing the blower motor, so let's get to the passenger side and get to it. Alright guys, we're here on the passenger side, below the glove box. All we gotta do is come over here. You'll see this little cover. Kind of stick your fingers here, or right here, and pull downward. You'll see these little clips that hold everything together. Just keep kind of working them, being very careful, and only prying at the locations they're at, just to prevent damage. We can slide it out, pull it away, and we'll expose the blower motor here. So go ahead and let's just unplug this here, pull this out the way here, and it looks like it's just held in by some Phillip head screws. So let's get these off, and it should drop. If not, I might have to twist it, but let's go ahead and get this wire out the way here and get these screws off. Actually, you guys, one quick correction. Once I actually got down here and took a good look at these 3 screws here, they're actually not Phillip heads. They're going to be T25s, or it also looks like you could use a flathead, but make my life easier, I'm using a T25. I'm just going to pop those 3 out real quick and remove this blower motor. So it appears once you remove the 3 screws, it's going to drop. Just keep in mind the orientation with this end over here. So just make it easier when going into the new one. All right guys, old blower motor is out. I have my new one here. This part facing that direction over there. So all we gotta do is just slide it in, meet everything up, and then let's screw everything back in and plug it up. Okay guys, blower motor is installed, plugged back up. This is back here, and all we gotta do is put the cover back on and we're done. So thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe, more videos to come.